Welcome to
DJ
Adventure! It is it's about 28 days till Christmas and nom nom nom. Ta-da! Nom nom nom!
Smarties. Oh, I'm just gonna get something.
Yeah, and that's will just say a quick thing. If you're bored of this channel then and try my own, it's called Crazy Blobfish. Yeah, it's crazy and it's blobfishy.
These are the 2 advent calendars we have.
But we're going to open them for right this. But we're going to open this all today. But we're going to make it fun. We're going to make it a game.
Let's just show you something. A calculator.
Yeah, so we're going to be
Some have calculators, some have none.
Yeah, and we're going to pick one.
One has a calculator.
Let's borrow
And
a
then
calculator.
we
got this. And we got the front. We picked that box of Advent.
I want to get 24.
And for numbers inside, we solved that question. And if we get it right, we open that box.
And there's times in each one, so I'll have to do the odd one.
Yeah,
I won't tell
but if you don't know a certain times table, okay?
You
do know your 11s, right? You do know your 10s. This is 10 times 11, yeah? Yeah? Okay. Shall we begin?
Yeah.
The challenge?
Yeah.
Let's put the towel
Youngest first.
You got the calculator. You got number 19. Okay. 11 times 9.
But I don't know that's so.
Okay. 11 adds 9. I'll give you a tip. If you're multiplying a number, if you're timesing a number less than 10 by 11, then you just write the number twice. Write that number twice and you'll get the times 11. That's the tip for 11 times tables.
99.
Yeah, so you get to open
19.
number 19. Where is number 19? Found 18, but no 19. Here, 19 at the bottom.
Right down here.
Okay.
I'm opening. Ooh la la.
So,
I got a little Smartie
snowman.
snowman.
Okay, now my
Okay.
turn. So, this. Number 13.
I got the calculator one.
8 times 8. No, it's like this. Infinity times infinity. It's double infinity. No, it's infinity.
Yes.
Okay, so I get to open 13. Where's 13? Aha! It's right at the top. You're unlucky. Yeah. See? I also got snow. I got. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
I got number...
Is that 7?
Mama, czy to jest jedynka czy siódemka?
It's a 7.
To ty pisałaś.
It's a 7.
No, ja nie pisałam.
A pokaż.
It's a 7.
Jessica pisała.
Okej, 10 razy... 10 times 10. Or 10 squared if you're year 6. That's 100.
Okay. So,
So open 7. Where is it? Where's 7? There you are.
okay.
It's a looking number. Wow, what did you get?
Santa.
Santi.
Okay.
Got 22.
11 times 11.
się nie ruszać.
121.
Is that right?
What?
121 for 11 times 11.
Yeah. Don't just tell her.
11 plus 11, Dominika?
No, but
22. Yeah, open them for Ranger's eye. Right in the eye. She has to press right in the eye.
Oh,
Shut
yeah. Look at that.
She cut that poor reindeer in half. That is a terrible placement.
Wait. What N is it in the place? North Pole. There's questions inside.
Yeah, but ignore those because you know what
What
we're doing.
Y is I don't have no idea. Which Q gives Christmas speech?
I don't know.
What S does Santa sleigh? But we're not doing that. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not. Guys, has anyone gotten the ones we did because we'll put those away? Yeah. 4 times
Yes.
7 for number 4.
Yeah,
4 times 7. Let me just. Yeah, you can't do that. 28. Yep. Number 4. Oh no, I'm opening a chicken. Oh, chicken. It's supposed to be a robin. But it looks a lot like a chicken nugget. That's why I think it's a chicken. It's another sun. Oh, I got something to say. Okay. Now Dashi Washi have a turny.
How much have already said so?
This one.
Look at that.
24.
Oh.
Damn, I might give it to you if it's a better
to
one.
you if it's a better one.
It might be for something times 8 equals 32. Okay. Are you glad now that you didn't get this one? Calculations. 4. I was just about to whisper it's 4 to you. Okay. 24. Done. If it's a better one, I might give it to you. It is a better. It's a better one. It's a normal. Winter spa. Dom, if you give 2 normal ones, this is twice as big. So if you give 2 the normal ones, this is double the size.
Do you want
give 2 normal
do you want a
ones,
tray?
you'll get this one.
Yeah?
Don't cry on camera.
I don't know.
Okay, so anyway. Okay, now it's the mini-kers.
Oh, I'll get 23 at least.
See?
16.
You got 16. And years old. 12 times 0.
12!
That's for easy, yeah. Okay, so which one is that? 16.
16.
What did she say, Jess?
12.
It's 12 times 0 and it's 12. No, it's 0.
No, it's not.
It is. Anything times 0 is always 0.
I just forgot about that.
Don't.
Too bad.
So, yeah. Anyway, it's still not the end of the world. Wait, did someone? Oh, it was 20. Takes. Oh. That's 110. Yep. Okay, I'm rich. It's 23. Yippee. Over.
3.
Ow! Snowman.
17.
Maybe your angles.
Jessie?
Snowman.
Jessie?
Oh, that's.
I got these so far. This is the one I got.
I got 2. This one.
I got
I got a Malteser Smartie.
8.
It's like a giant Smartie. I got a giant Smartie.
7 times 10 is 70. Okay. And which one is that? 8 years old. I mean. Oh, you got one of those. I got a round one. Okay. Now Dominica.
Yay.
Nice Smartie. Okay. Let's see.
9.
You got 9.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. 9 times 9.
But
Nine
that
squared if you
add.
Okay, 9 is 9. Go on. Or 2 times 9. Go on. No, they both equal the same thing.
18.
Yeah, okay. Open number 9. Wait, you got 9 times. Oh, you got a Malteser package. And look at the back. Normally there's jokes, but this one's a graphic. Okay, now
Yay!
it's just this. I got number 2, and it's 5 times 5, or 5 squared if you're year 6. 5 times 5 is 25. Yep. So I got number 2. Yippee. Number 2. Oh, I have to hurt the purple reindeer. Oh my god, that reindeer's tiny apparently.
Oh well.
Oh, I got one of these. Wait, it's the same. So that this is not special. This one
Uh-huh.
is the same.
So 25 is not special at all.
Sad, I get one.
I got
I also got a big thing.
Yeah.
got
Can
Smarties.
I have one Smartie of that?
Yeah.
So can we have that one now? Mum, can we have one? I got 6.
I want this now.
Okay, I'm
Can I eat this now?
9 times 8.
Why?
That is easy. It's 72.
Okay.
So what
Should
is
we have
that?
one Smartie? So you can read closest package.
Where is the 6-year-old that I have to tear apart? Oh, is that cruel? No, I have
6
something at you.
is
I'm sorry.
here. You're opening the giant Smarties package.
Wow.
And you do get a Smarties
And you get
packet.
a Smarties package.
There's long ones, there's
Round
packets,
ones.
there's fat ones.
Yeah. Have the tower and have the croissants.
I hope I like the fat ones.
Okay.
3.
3. And what's the question? So 3 and 7.
If you don't know your 3 times.
10.
Okay. So
Seven, seven,
number 3.
Oh, most I got 22 and
No, I don't
I did. I did.
I opened Randy's eyes.
No, I did.
Oh, you got another round Smartie.
I got 2 rounds at
Yellow.
Smarties.
Now it's my
I
turn.
got
Have,
4. Wait, did someone already have these? Yeah.
Okay. 10. 4 10. Okay, and number 10.
10.
Oh. Okay, I'm opening the Smarties flag. Why do I have so much of these?
She cut off this poor penguin's head.
Oh no, it couldn't be. What's this question? What? Pie. Mince pie. Malteser pie.
Pizza pie.
Okay,
Pie.
Dasher.
Smart pie.
Let's see who you've got.
20.
Number 20 and 6 times 8
is 64.
Okay, now open number 20.
Pop.
You got Smarties package. What's your back? A football with Smarties.
My turn again.
Wow,
I like when it's my turn.
We'll have 8 each. Because there's 3
You
of
got
us.
14.
I got 14 and
by 3 is 8.
12 times.
Well, eat.
132.
Yeah? Okay. Now,
14.
which one is 14, right?
14. Where is the 14?
You know what 14 is lucky number? Aha.
Yes, look at his.
Oh,
I got a long one as well.
I
got two
opened
long games.
square 666.
my turn.
I got
What did you get?
Yo.
Yo.
Number 11.
Years old.
6 times 8.
Are you like I had that one. I think I repeated the question when I was writing these. How is that when you add 1?
I don't know.
I won't.
Then do I add? Do I add?
It's
I thought 20.
Oh, it's also 32 and 32.
32 and 64.
Yes.
Okay.
Has someone had 20 yet?
So it's number 11.
Yeah, I'll have corner.
It's 6. Aha, 11 is done.
Page
Yes.
6.
I got one of these long ones again.
Have it.
Yum yum. I got wash candy. Most.
Wait, most of them are long ones.
We should all have it the same amount.
And I got 5.
I got
It's because Dominic got
my question is 2 times 12. That's 24.
So yeah, get.
What 15? It was 15.
It was 15.
Bye, penguin.
Bye bye. You got round. That's your kind of swap. You can do quick swaps.
You can have one of my rounds.
For one of his.
Okay.
Thank you.
My turn. I just had to
I
work
love
out
chocolate.
I did get no chocolate. Well, we've got calories in there.
Okay.
Oh, 18! I got 18!
That's the question for him.
Oh, yeah,
6. So that means 4 and 6 for you.
Come on.
10.
Okay. 4 times table. Or you 18. Number 18.
80. I saw it somewhere here.
Oops.
8.
I'm squashing it too much. It stuck out.
Wow. You got one of us.
It's got Smarties.
What's a spell?
A spell. Winter spell.
I don't know.
Yo!
Yo, stop shouting yo.
Yo!
10 times.
Yo, babe!
10 times.
10 times 12 is 120. 120.
Yeah, so you get number 21. Spin it round and find it.
No one has opened one yet. Yeah.
Got many left.
10 again. I got number 5.
And that makes 6 times 7 is 42.
42, okay.
Who's wondering how I do something so quick?
And what number was it?
5. I do them quick because I'm smart.
Oh, a Smarties package.
Knock. Yum. Dom, you got the ball.
Last one.
But some of them haven't been opened yet. That doesn't
1
make
and
sense.
17 and 16 and 12.
Wait, I think someone's
They must have
missing-
fallen out of the board. Anyway, how much is there? 1, 2,
Delicious.
11. 11. 11.
You can have half of one of the chocolates. No, you can't.
No.
This is 11.
Four.
It's 11 in a knot. In a knot, it's 11.
Can I do a swap?
Yes.
Oh. Since I got too much of these, and you got 2 of these packages.
Aha.
Dobrze, jakie to numeroczki zostały?
Yes. I got this one
There's
right.
4 numbers
11.
left.
This is
4
11.
numbers. Should we leave it for mom and dad?
Yeah.
So,
Merry Christmas! Remember to check out Crazy Blobfish.
And subscribe and hit the
Notification button. And Merry Christmas!
Quiet.
And hit that bell.
That's it. Bye. High five.